MacBook Pro A1466, MacBook Air A1466, 2017 model, and unable to powered on PP bus 3V42. PP bus 3V42 shorted to the ground. We connect our DC power supply C, and we just inject 1 volt, and we connect our thermal camera also. As soon as we on thermal camera, see, this IC is heating too much, approximately 44 degree, and this is our, see, normal vision. This is our SMC IC, and this SMC IC is shorted to the ground. We have to replace this SMC IC because 3V42 voltage is VCC of this IC, and this IC is heating too much. We have to replace this short IC. Let's replace the SMC and repair this MacBook Air 1466 motherboard. Thank you. This board is coming to repair from Gujarat. Unable to repair from other service center. See, lots of work in motherboard, and unable to repair other service center. Let's replace this SMC first and repair the board. See, we remove the SMC. After removing SMC, see, PP bus shorting is gone. Now it's 378. Before it's 00, shorted to the ground. See, before it's 00, and now shorting is gone. We have to replace this SMC. This SMC number is LM4FS1BH. We have to replace this SMC. This is this bald IC. See, this is bald IC. We have to replace this bald IC with new one. Thank you.